A very good morning to you all. The chief guest, Honorable Prime Minister of the Republic of Fiji, Rear Admiral Warangabai Marama. Sir, on behalf of all the members of the Asia Pacific Parliamentary Forum, APPF, we warmly welcome you. Your presence speaks volumes of your personal support for APPF, and thank you that Parliament of Fiji is able to host this auspicious meeting. APPF extends our hearty congratulations on your appointment as President of COP23. In this respect, we acknowledge with gratitude the support of Fiji's partners in the Asia-Pacific region in supporting Fiji's bid for the COP23 presidency. To the members of APPF, it is an honor and a privilege to acknowledge your presence here in Fiji. I would like to say a big bula vinaka to all of you. You did tell us in Vancouver last year that you will be coming to Fiji, and here you are in even greater numbers. Welcome to Fiji. The Parliament of Fiji is also very grateful to the Honorary Chairperson of APPF, former Prime Minister of Japan, His Excellency Yasuhiro Nakasone, for the faith he has in Fiji and his subsequent recommendation that Fiji hosts this forum this year. We are very pleased and privileged to oblige. The gain is ours. We have close to 250 participants from Australia, Cambodia, Canada, Chile, China, Federated States of Micronesia, from Fiji, from Indonesia, Japan, Republic of Korea, People's Republic of Laos, Malaysia, Mexico, New Zealand, Philippines, Russia, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam. We hope that at the end of the conference you will decide to change your travel schedule and stay longer to enjoy our country. The theme of the meeting is peace and security in the Asia and Pacific region and the international communities. It is an affirmation of collective desire of our region to find solutions to challenges that stem from conflicts, poverty, and marginalization. The 2030 Agenda formally linked peace and security to sustainable development. It calls, among other things, reducing violence, preserving peace, security, and natural environment if we are to flourish economically. It is incumbent upon all countries to respect international goals as security, peace, and prosperity is dependent upon international security. All sectors of society must be involved in planning for peace and sustainable development, and women and young people also have a central role to play. At this juncture, I wish to acknowledge the support of our Prime Minister in promoting women taking up leadership positions in Parliament. When his ruling party won the elections in 2014, all the women that won their seats in his party were given ministerial portfolios. And I was nominated the first woman speaker. In Fiji, that is unprecedented support for women in Parliament by a leader. For this, we women of Fiji are truly thankful. Colleagues, we have a crucial role to play in this forum, where we have to ensure there is an enabling environment to achieve the vision of parliamentary partnership for peace and security in our region. People throughout the world have called for stability, for good governance and the rule of law, inclusivity and equality, justice and human rights through the 2030 Agenda. They asked for transparency and accountability in how governments plan and deliver development and ensure security. The APPF has brought together leaders from around our region and the international community for a robust discussion on how to drive sustainable prosperity, peace, and security in such a rapidly changing world. We look forward to your active participation in this forum, and I hope your brief stay will be of value to you as it would be to us. And just as important, that your experience in our country will bring such good memories that you are drawn back sometimes in the near future to spend more time in leisure rather than business. With these few words, I warmly welcome you once again and look forward to a successful forum. Thank you.